Andrew, what are you making?
A sandcastle.
What is it?
A sandcastle.
A sandcastle?
Yeah.
Good job. Who showed you how to make a sandcastle? So concentrated. He does. I mean, whenever he does, and he's like, clean my hands.
He likes the res dirt.
You like the res dirt, Nani?
Cool.
That's amazing.
Cool.
1, 2, 3 sandcastles. Good job.
I know.
Let me see your shirt. Andrew.
Remember when we go on the cactus?
And the cactus?
Yeah, on the fastest over there.
Yep, remember?
Ooh. Another sandcastle.
How many sandcastles do you have?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. I like your sandcastles. Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
Hey, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Why? What are you going to do?
Hey, what's that?
Oh, a piece of string. Ouch. What are you doing with that? Take it off.
No.
Ew.
Look at, it's gonna make him itch.
No.
Let me take it off you. Look, you have it all over your neck now. Silly Noonie. Let me see your elbow. Let me see your elbow. Look at your elbow. Go like that. You have dirt on there.